This is a love reading for you, Leo, for January to February. In this reading, I'm going to take out cards for you and your love interest and then see how's the guidance. You should note that this is a general reading, so everything will not resonate with all Leo as it is, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. Also, do read my January newsletter. I have given the link in the description box. You want to read it, share it with as many people. And there is also links given to all the readings that I do. And then you want to check out all the readings and then book whatever reading you like to book with me. So, who are you, Leo, in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope and fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the love reading? So, you are someone who's doing very well in your career, Leo, and you seem to not have enough time for the relationship. You see, your back is to your partner. The problem is, while your partner is very much into the relationship, he or she is blindfolded and their hands are also occupied. So, while you are not looking and your hands are occupied, your partner is looking but has a blindfold on and has also the hands are occupied. So, one, that both of you are very busy in the relationship. You are busy in terms of being, occupied with all the work commitments that you have, and your partner is maybe little bit upset with you and he or she refuses to see things as they are. And I'm also seeing is you don't have enough time to spend or make certain concessions or make your partner understand about your situation. So right now this may not be the most warm relationship going on. The two of you may be facing some kind of a rough weather or certain disconnection of whatever sort. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? So I'm just saying that there's not much communication happening, Leo, between you and your partner, and you are the one who's cutting out the communication part. So this is a challenge. You are right now not in a talking mode and you seem to have disconnected any kind of a line of communication. You don't want to speak, you also don't want to hear, and you are immersing yourself into work and you're traveling, and all that needs to be done. Your partner, on the other hand, I'm seeing is talks more or talks a lot, and he or she is also traveling. So, one, the two of you do travel a lot, so it's quite possible both husband and wife are working, or both the partners are working. So, the two of you are working and you have both travel in your job situation. So, you are also traveling a lot, partner to Leo, and I'm seeing that you are also quite a talker. So sometimes you can talk so much that maybe Leo decides to not speak or say anything. So sometimes you tend to overtake the communication part. Now, how do you see your partner, Leo, and how does your partner see you? So you see your partner as someone who is waiting for a payday. So, when there are it is time for monthly expenses to be split between two people or even two partners or husband and wife, looks like your partner is not bringing enough money to the table, Leo, but you're not complaining because, as I see, you're not the one saying anything, you're just not talking or not saying anything. And you see your partner as someone who's waiting for a payday, somebody who's working very hard and has a lot of money or a fortune coming their way. So you are also in the waiting that your partner will do well, become financially stable, or do well in their situation. Now, how does your partner see you? Your partner sees you as someone who's very, very traditional and almost to the point that you refuse to take on any kind of newness to the relationship or trying to do things differently. It's quite possible, partner, you see Leo as someone who's very traditional in how a man's role is in the relationship or how a woman's role is in the relationship, and that's how you like to run the house or run the affairs. So this is how Leo, your partner, sees you, that you're very traditional in your approach, and you can sometimes be quite predictable and boring. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? So, first of all, Leo, you feel that this union is not supported. That even though you two want to be together, there are a lot of things that are not working in your favor. Maybe it has something to do with relocation, maybe it has something to do with ideas about a certain vibe or a wavelength. But you feel, Leo, that the two of you are not connecting as well as the two should connect, and you are not so sure about how the future together will be. Your partner also feels that this relationship may be a certain kind of a trap where he or she mm, may get in some way lost or may lose their identity being with you. So I don't know why your partner feels like this about the future, but I'm just saying that your partner feels that he or she may not be themselves or may feel hostage to your personality. It's quite possible, Leo, you're very loud and expressive as a person, and your partner should take the second seat or should take the second position in the relationship. And your partner feels maybe it is some kind of a, emotional trap where they may not be able to come out of it. So this is the fear your partner has, and he or she is not so sure about the future as well. So the two of you are not really counting on how beautifully the future may look up to or transform, because you both have your share of doubts on how it is going to work out. So what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? So there has been a lot of worries and things have not been so nice. So I'm just saying is the ride was not very smooth, and there was a lot to worry about in the past as well. So the two of you may have struggled a lot. Maybe it was a point of poverty or a extremely difficult situation where the two of you could not make things work. So in the past, I'm seeing the two of you have had a lot of struggle, and your past as a partner, I'm seeing that you're just starting out in career, so you may not have enough to offer in terms of stability and finances in this relationship. Also, I'm seeing that you have a lot of respect and credibility or reputation to your career, while your partner is still working at things and has a lot to show for. So in the past, I'm seeing that your partner may be fairly junior to you by age, because you seem to be someone fairly established and your partner is starting out. So that's how I see it. Some of you may have married your mentor also, or you are dating your mentor or your coach. That's how also I see the guidance. Now, how's overall the guidance for the love reading? It's not so easy cards. So when I see the Hanged Man one, it's telling me definitely this relationship is very important to the two of you, and you both have weathered a lot of storms together and have been through a lot of rough tide. So you're not giving up easily on each other. But when this guidance shows up, it's just saying that it's a decision time, and it's a very difficult decision to make whether to how to make things go forward. So it's not a easy decision to take, and for whatever reason the two of you seem to be stuck and not being able to move forward with how the two of you may want your life to be. So maybe you want to settle overseas, maybe you want to be doing things in a certain way. The two of you are not able to take that decision yet, just yet. So this is how, maybe let some time go and then things would clear up on their own. So this is how the guidance is looking, Leo, for you and your love interest.